So in this video we are looking at 3 CPR down, which is we are looking for bearish stocks. So we are only looking for stocks which have weekly options, monthly CPR, monthly CPR. It should be below the 200 moving average, and also unbalanced volume scan decreasing to unbalanced volume decreasing. Okay, so the first stock we want to see is, we can see all bearish TTM squeeze all time frames. Okay, so CMSA chart, CMSA. Okay, you can see the CPR is trending down. See a buy signal here. You can see unbalanced going up. RSI up. All time frames are negative. Okay. Okay. Next one is IMTC. This looks like a better setup. You can see all time frames negative. RSI down. Unbalanced volume down. Okay, so this is a good setup. So if you can opens below the CPR, you can take the trade to the downside. Scan T. Okay, I'm looking for 3. So MTC. Let's look at the next one. WBA. So it's a very good setup. You can see 3 CPRs down. All time frames are negative. You can see sell volume 87%, buy volume 12%. Okay. So scan. T. Okay, T. Okay, T-Mobile also is negative. Okay, downtrending. Scan. Okay, now let's look at ABT by volume. Let's look at by volume. Okay, ABBV, BFC. ABBV chart. Okay, you can see a sell signal here. Okay, so this is also a good setup. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. We do provide this scanner for free. Please let me know if you need the scanner. Thank you.